So maybe we'll pick go to where we did it first.
I'm Mrs. Chokanibu. Actually, the beginning of what happened, I don't know. We were in the shop when we started hearing that they have killed somebody, that we should close. We all ran away. We all ran to our various shops, started packing. Coming out, even the cars, we left our cars. Running out of the shops to come out, we saw fire everywhere. Now, so many shops have been burned down, reaching to the management building. You can see for yourself, some cars have been smashed, some are being burned, some are still burning. So that is all I can say for what I know for now. I'm Mrs. Nneka Chokanibu.
Sadiq Ibrahim. Yeah. I was at about 2 o'clock afternoon, this afternoon. I was at the mosque trying to perform ablution. The next thing I saw was a young guy, yes, trying to run from a van. You get. So immediately I saw him going outside. Before I know, before the people that are chasing him, they now come back that they have killed the boy. The next thing, everybody now started coming out that the market is not. The market has turned to something else. So,
Na task force. Wetin I be saying na task force. They pursue people wey no do anything in the market. So where they hawk. So this boy now in a piece, he come piece. They hold him, carry and go lock for this place. So today is Tuesday. They are taking the boy to the court. So every Tuesday. So as they carry the boy to come outside to take to court, the boy with handcuff. The boy now run away. So the Musa tell them to pursue them. Musa tell them to shoot him. They shoot the boy 2 times. The boy die. They carry and come here. See the police station here. They carry and come. And so the riot start. I saw that they bomb everywhere. Now what happened? Now Musa caused this. Nobody say nobody they hide anything. Task force in Wuse Market, Abuja. Now Musa caused them. Nothing to hide there now. Yes, Musa.
He's a bastard. He has not seen anything.
Musa, there were problem. Clear out.
For shooting tear gas. Tear gas entered that zinc. That's what caused that fire. He's a policeman. He shot a tear gas that entered the ceiling. That's what caused the fire. Look at people's shop condemned. They cannot go free. They should give us Musa. Musa must face the justice here. Angry youths. They shot one of them to death. So it's guys, when they got angry, they come and burn the cars. It's the youth that caused that put the fire. After killing one of them, yes, they killed one of the Hausa boy. It's the people that came out of anger and put those fire. Musa must bring here. They should give us Musa. He must face us. Musa and ablaze, they should bring them. Very stupid human We had an alarm that there's a fire at Wuse Market, so all of us came. So we came here and we called fire service, and they have arrived, and they have helped to quench the fire. And so just only few vehicles that were burned, and about 5 or 6 shops that were burned. But we are trying to get to the root of the matter. Let us find out what exactly happened. There's no cause for alarm. Everywhere has been brought under control.
Is there any loss of life in this place?
We want to, in the fire, there's no loss of life. But something happened that resulted into what has happened. So we want to find out what has exactly happened. Yes.
Sir, please, what was the cause of the fire?
The miscreant now, I don't know. Before we arrived, the fire has started.